Where was that entrance again? There we go. Hey, Bruce.
Hey, Dick. Nice to see you again.
You too. Why did you want to see me?
I'm just checking up on you. I want to make sure you're safe.
Bruce, I've already told you. I don't need your help.
I'm not saying this as your mentor. I'm saying this as your father.
You are not my father.
I'm trying to protect you, Dick.
I don't need your protection.
Bruce, Riddler is robbing the bank.
Okay, go start up the Batmobile.
No, let me handle it. I'll prove to you that I'm not a child.
Fine then, but as soon as you need me, I will be there.
Too bad I won't need your help.
Should I still get the Batmobile ready?
Yes, he is out of his depth.
Riddle me this, riddle me that, I wonder. Where is the big black bat?
There's a new hero in town.
Ah! Get off of me, boy!
I'm not a boy. I'm Nightwing. I heard your cell is being kept warm at Arkham. You'll be back at home soon.
I don't quite agree with that.
Riddle me this, riddle me that. I can't think of anything that rhymes with that, dang it. You're going back to Arkham, Nigma.
Actually, I'm not.
Hello, boy. You look a little lost. Let me help you.
What happened here?
Look, Dick's bike.
But where is he?
There is no sign of the Riddler's car.
Strange. Very strange.
Good. Now, Mr. Wilson, are you ready to take out that certain arrow of yours?
Locked and loaded.